today I'm gonna be demonstrating how to install disk cloning tool called Doyourclone and how to use it to carry out disk cloning on Windows. So, what is disk cloning? Disk cloning is the process of creating an identical copy of a disk called a drive, and this has a lot of benefits. So, one is to ensure data backup. It also simplifies migration of data and enhances data recovery. So its main role is that it secures data integrity and enables seamless data movement between devices. One of the main advantages of this tool and why uh, I chose it is its user friendliness. It has an intuitive interface for easy navigation and operation, fast cloning speeds, data protection, and it has good customer support and also a forum. If you have any kind of problem, you reach out there and you get help. So let's jump into the installation guide. Uh, the first step, you go to the website, the official website. I'll post the link in the comment section below. So you download the setup, and once it is downloaded, you double click on the setup and the installation process begins. By following the instructions on the screen, you are able to get it installed on your system. So after installing it, you launch and the interface displays. So during this process, we start by choosing the disk clone mode from the interface, which I'm going to be demonstrating in a few minutes. So after choosing this clone mode, you select or you choose the source of the data, where you're going to get that data from, and two, you select the destination drive, where the data is going to be written. Make sure the source and the destination disks connected properly. After that, you press confirm and the process begins. So here I'm going to be showing you how to install. Let me first drag my video so that you can see the screen properly. So here, after downloading the setup, here is your setup. You double click on it. The installation wizard will show up, and you click next to continue. You click next. So for me, I have it already installed. I won't proceed with this procedure, but you can. So I'll close it for now. And here, next step is launching the setup. So as you see here, it has very many features: partition clone, disk tool. This does a lot. So we go to disk clone. Choose source the source drive. You select it and you confirm. You also choose the destination drive. For 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 a moment, I only have a very small disk, and I've done this before, so just showcasing how this is done. So after choosing the destination, so it's ready, but showing that insufficient disk space. So you can choose sector by sector so that it can copy the few sectors which are For example, you're seeing this memory card is 14 GB. So on my data equivalent to 14 GB will be copied from the source to the destination. So that's it if you select sector by sector and you tap next. So a dialog appears that the original data on the destination disk will be erased. So if you want and you are ready, you erase it. That I am not ready. I still need my data, but that is it. So data will start transferring as you also keep monitoring the progress on the progress bars. Once it's done, to pop up a message successfully transferred, and you are done doing this cloning. Thank you.